I'm actually super excited to do this video. I just moved into a new house with my family and I'm just ready to do this video all together. Like, it's just my new room tour. I'm excited. Obviously you can't see anything right now because I'm not gonna show it right now, but I'll show it in a second with like sort of like the intro clip so you guys get a bit of a peek, but then I'm gonna really introduce you all to it and show you all what the pieces are. And I guess it's a bit of a collection tour also, if you wanna call it a collection tour, I guess, or just a bit of a collection also because I'll be explaining some of the pieces and you all get to see them. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. We're gonna get straight into it. Be sure you guys subscribe. If you are new, I would appreciate it. We may do a part 2 in the future if I change it up. So be sure you guys subscribe for that and just subscribe because we just hit 17K, and I want to say thank you all for the love you've been showing. And also drop a like in this video if you want more videos just like this. It would let me know, of course. And yeah, let's get straight in. So we're gonna roll through the things first that are not like as crazy or not really crazy much at all. But we have a desk right here just with a couple stickers on it. StockX Supreme, Armada Skate Shop, DC, and then Supreme Kira, I got that one right, and then just a monitor. This is a very it's a fake sticker as you guys can tell, but then we got some legit ones right there. So that's just a desk. The desk is really basic. Obviously I use this monitor to edit, but I'm not gonna be able to take it with me on vacation, but you guys will see this video while I'm at vacation probably. But that's just a desk, first sort of part. And then we also got the shelf, which I plan to put some sneakers on, but all the sneakers are in the closet, which I'm about to show y'all in a second. The next part we got though is my bed. Now this is just, again, we have 1, 2, 3 Supreme stickers. That's really it. And then I guess I'll also show y'all, trash can, got a Supreme sticker right there so you guys can see. But then aside from the trash can, we also got one on the door. Gotta be quiet because people are asleep. But we got the Supreme blood and semen box logo right there. And I'm gonna show you all my dresser while I'm at it. We just got like some skate stickers right here. And then we also got 3 Supreme stickers, which I sort of set up like this because I thought it looked good. Like these are just crossing, so like 1, 2, 3. I thought that looked nice, so I put it like that. But now I'm finally moving on to my closet, which this part's gonna take a while to talk about because it's crazy. I promise you all gonna love it. I'm gonna close the door to show you all the sort of first part of it, which is just a red box. The red box logo is sort of like an introduction to it, but I really just want to show you all this, so let's get into it. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Alright, so I'm about to introduce y'all to my closet. So here, we'll just walk in real quick. So these are basically just all my clothes and all those like shoes and accessories like up here. And basically like the first jacket we have here is an off-white jacket from a couple days back from a video. Personally, one of my favorite jackets I've ever bought. And it's just a really great jacket to have in my collection. And just here's some like the rest of my pieces, like Supreme Gons tee. This is a vintage Nike tee right here. And then over here, we got some more pieces. Supreme MC Escher. And then we got the Supreme Scarface hoodie, Lacoste, the Damien Hirst box logo, this thing right here. And then just some other really basic tees like the Don't Let the Dream Die tee from Supreme. But basically some other ones we have would be like right up here, we got some accessories. So like right here, I'll show this Supreme North Face headband right there, Raf Simons bag. And like the Supreme sled and other pieces like that. It's all just like, this is like my whole closet. This is what I'm doing right here. And I just want to basically stack up a bunch of accessories right here. Like we got some bear bricks sort of like scattered inside the sled. Most of them have fallen over, but we still have most of them like run like right here, still standing. Supreme Hysteric Glamour mug. And then just from really like basic shoes here, I'll take this from here. Like some really basic shoes like right up here, like the Vans. You can go. The New Balances, Air Forces, Laser Ones, and the NMDs. But then like I'm gonna show you all a couple more pieces just because again I said I was gonna tease my clothing collection a bit. Supreme DNA tee, Supreme Candle tee, Adidas tee. This is from my sister from my birthday, which of course thank you to her for the gift. It was awesome. And then again just all the accessories. Like look here, hopefully y'all can see all these. Like you got the Kate Moss sticker right there. I don't know if you can see that, and like more bear bricks that have fallen over, as I said. And this is just like the whole entire setup of my room right now. I love it. Again, these Vans are my favorite Vans. I haven't even laced them, which I should probably do. But these are like the ones that Kanye wore like a while back though, as my friend Ian told me. So we have these right here, of course. These are, again, like DS, not even used. I'm gonna bring them to the beach. Along with most of these clothes in my collection, I'm gonna bring to the beach. Like, again, I packed like all these from here. I packed this off-white jacket all the way to this tee right here, the long sleeve, in case, you know, it gets rainy or cold at the beach, which I wouldn't expect, so I'm not really looking on that. But yeah, that's just sort of my collection right here. Again, we got the off-white tag. Again, I keep the tag because it's actually sort of cool. Like, it's like a lace. I've never really picked up off-white beforehand, so that was a bit weird to me. But that's really my collection. Some of my favorite pieces, I guess, would be like this Lacoste hoodie right there, Vox logo right here, and then I really haven't worn Lacoste that much, but I guess the pieces I wear the most would be this long sleeve DNA tee and the candle tee. Those are probably the 3 most worn pieces of my collection. And then these accessories all together, I don't really use headbands, but like I really like this setup up here of like the sled. Like, this is just personally one of my favorite things, like the bag standing up and then the sled just sort of holding everything inside. Like, the sled's holding a Raf Simons bag and all that. I really like that sort of setup the most of this room. So that's sort of my closet tour, I guess. And yeah. Hello. Meow. Wanted to check out my collection? Yeah? Yeah. But that's pretty much my whole room, and I just realized, like, this isn't even like 100% complete. Like, this is sort of close to 100% like complete, but like all my pieces, you know, are still like sort of scattered around. I still have a couple things that I didn't even show. Like, for example, I'm actually going to show you one right now. Of course, I got the sticker right here, but the main piece I didn't even show y'all, which I should have shown y'all, is the Supreme Everlast mat. Like, this thing is huge, and I didn't even show it, and I didn't really need to show this off-white tag. This is super cool. I may show it a couple seconds, but like right here we got this, and on the off-white jacket, actually, it has it on one of the sleeves. On this sleeve, look, it has the exact same thing that was on the tag. But for the mat, the Supreme Everlast mat, I think I'm gonna put it up against this wall just because it takes up a bit more space, and I think it'd make more sense, you know, just it would go nicely here. And there's also plenty of like nails on the wall that I could actually use for this. But that's pretty much the whole thing I want to show y'all. But I'm actually going to show y'all what I'm packing for vacation. And I'm not going to bring these Air Force Ones to the beach, but this is definitely, again, my favorite sneaker model of all time. So I got to show y'all it. So I'm going to show y'all the packing process. So that's going to be a couple little quick things. So let's do that. Okay, so we're at this video angle now. Not 100% straight yet. We're good now. So this is sort of close to straight, I guess. But basically, I'm going to be showing y'all all the pieces I'm going to be packing for the beach. Of course, I sort of said it in the video a bit, but I'm going to really like get into more depth on it. So the first piece, of course, is the off-white jacket. I got to pack this in case, you know, it gets cold, which it's the middle of the summer. So the point to packing this is there isn't really much of a point, I guess. But, you know, just going to add this as something to pack. Next up, though, of course, this is always something that I bring with almost every single vacation. We got the Supreme Gons tee. This is definitely going to go on vacation with me. One of my favorite Supreme tees of all time. So this is going to be packed. Next up, though, this thrifted Nike tee is also going to be brought with me. This is from a bike race in Columbia, South Carolina from like 2000, I think. As you can tell by the older Nike tag, they don't really make tags like this anymore. So the tags are much different, but this is going to be packed with the beach. And also, I forgot to mention, this Palace tee is also something part of my collection. This is also going to be going to the beach with me. So this Palace tee also being packed. Next up, though, I gotta, of course, bring this because Adidas is like a beach thing to me, or like a beach sort of brand, something you'd wear at the beach. So right here, we got this Adidas tee from Neiman Marcus. And of course, that's actually a really nice Adidas tee to me, size medium. Haven't even taken the tags off, which I probably should do if I'm actually gonna wear it, which I am. So we have this tee being packed, and I'm definitely gonna wear it soon. Next up, though, Supreme candle tee. This is definitely always, of course, it's like an essential to me, traveling things. Like basic tees like this, I always bring to wear and travel in, I guess. I guess if you want to call it that, take on vacation. But we've got this tee right here, and also another item I forgot to mention that I'm taking is this cat right here. This is a Supreme cat, just a basic accessory, but you can bring it on the beach with you. I'm bringing this as well. One of my favorite pieces from this season, and yeah. The next piece, though, is this Supreme DNA tee. Of course, I got my cat here right here in the frame. But basically, this tee is one of my favorite tees, and I'm going to be bringing this again. It's a bit large for me as a size large tee, but this is going to be bringing to the beach with me, and definitely a tee that I'm going to wear. Maybe at one point, I don't know, I may wear it, I may not. It's a bit of, you know, different tee, but I don't know. And the final piece I'm taking to the beach with me is the Supreme MC Escher long sleeve. Here it is, of course. We got the giant eye right back here, and then we also have the small one on the front with Supreme under it. I'm packing this and bringing it to the beach with me, of course, which is the last thing I'm bringing. Anyways, I think this is a decent outro location, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe below and drop a like in this video. And make sure you guys turn on notifications to actually get a video, because YouTube's not really going to show you all my videos unless you turn on those notifications. So make sure you guys have them set to all. That was a mouthful, but hopefully you guys get the idea to subscribe, and I'd really appreciate that. Of course, I'll be replying to every single comment that I get in this video. Of course, I would love to see the video do well, so hopefully it does. Even if it doesn't, you know, I still loved making this video for you guys to watch. Well, I just hope you all did enjoy this video, and of course, I want to say thank you all for watching, and yeah, peace out.